Well, here I am back at the window again. Last time we talked about the difference between single glazing and double glazing. I've since had the question, what about single glazing with lowE as opposed to double glazing? The reason being that under the WERS, the Windows Energy Rating Scheme, the U value for lowE single glazed can be pretty similar or the same as a double glazed unit. Now, the reason I still prefer to say double glazing is because we're fighting a different battle. Basically, the radiant heat transfer that's dealt with lowE basically means that the radiant heat inside bounces back off the glass and therefore it gets a low U value. But that doesn't address the conductive heat transfer through the glass. Basically, the lowE glass has a metal oxide in it, which bounces the heat back. But what it doesn't do is stop that heat transfer from the cold outside coming through to inside. So you're still going to have a condensation problem. You're actually going to have a worse condensation problem because the glass is colder, and you're still going to have a convective problem with that warm air inside hitting the glass and dropping, producing convective currents. So a double glazed unit, an insulated glass unit, deals with the conductive heat transfer through the glass, whereas the lowE single glazed doesn't. So even though they have a very similar U value, they're doing completely different things. So you've just got to understand which fight you're fighting with the glass.